This is a BendPak 4-post lift that I need to rebuild or want to rebuild. Price was right. So it's a model number HD9ST series. Got a manufacturing date of 8/22/19. Serial number. Hopefully we can read that. Some of the damage is obviously cables. These locks here bent a little bit down there. This post here, or actually a number of them, they're kind of bent out of shape. I can work that back out, but this guy has a bent ear, ramp hinge. Those look good. That one's got a little rail damage, or whatever you call these, post damage. Ditto here. What concerns me the most is these cross tubes are bent a bit. Got this point here bent in, or whatever direction that is, from both ends, I believe. I plan on straightening it. This here's bent pretty good. So I need these guys. I need at least 10 of these. All the cables and the hardware to mount these cross tubes to the runways. Oh, that's the task for this. I figure out price and see if it's worth it. If it's feasible. Stay tuned.